Hi, it's Russ Sandlin again from Benprise. I'm here to now show you a quick documentary from about 12 years ago, actually 11 years ago, talking about the rise of the Philippines call centers. So this was when they were just realizing, wow, they were catching some lightning in a bottle, and boy, they've added another million jobs since then. But anyway, here it comes. I hope you enjoy it.
There's a demand for about 1 million agents. So the problem is finding the agents who speak great English.
It helps a lot because everybody finding because it brings a lot of jobs to millions and millions of jobs in the Philippines.
Support. My name is Mel. How can I help
you? The Philippines is a mixed society, a rich culture that reflects the complexity of its history. A country that combines both diverse local civilizations and advanced foreign influences. The country's high population and unemployment rate, new graduates and other entry applicants are in search for job opportunities here and abroad. Philippines has the literacy rate of 92.3%, one of the highest percent listed in Asia. The Philippines is a significant source of migrant workers. There are over 8 million overseas Filipino workers abroad, who sends remittances yearly. Years ago, there was a question mark on whether the Philippines could develop some outsourcing momentum. Now, it's a $3 billion industry. The pace of the development of the BPO industry in the Philippines has been impressive. Russ Sandlin, the country manager of China and Philippines, the COO of Hosted Account Solutions.
Outsourcing from a U.S. company perspective allows U.S. companies to provide better service at a price point that is helping them to give lower prices for consumer goods to Americans. To the Filipino, I think it's a great avenue for employment. It allows Filipinos to take advantage of their strong work ethic and their great English to have a great career path. So I think outsourcing is a great thing for the Philippines, and it's a great thing for North America as well. we're here to help the government to train English, and we're also here to help the multinationals, the call centers, to find and hire the agents and to train them. There's a demand for about 1 million agents, so the problem is finding the agents who speak great English. I tell you, in the call center, the best thing that you can do is come to work. Give your best effort. And if you do that, if you do that consistently, you're gonna have the chance to move up in companies. So if I'm a Filipino just getting into a call center, I'm gonna be at work on time. I'm gonna show up and really do my best to learn as much as I can, because the call centers are looking to promote people, and they want to be able to promote people that can show other people by example the good traits like coming to work on time. So it's really simple. If you take care of the little things, then you can expect big things in your career.
Paula Paredes, a customer support representative.
Customer support representative. So our account deals with internet connection and particularly DSL. So in a gist, within 17.5 minutes when a customer calls in, before the call ends, the customer should be connected. That's it. That's the principle.
Paula is a self-supporting civil engineering student working part-time in a call center company in Makati.
You get to have increase in your pay in a certain percent, and every 3 months you get bonuses. That's plus the allowance that you get for transportation. We have health cards. So if you compare it with other jobs in the Philippines, it's a bit stable because it's short by life and also the health. Good job.
Percival Theodora, former copywriter and graphic artist in an advertising agency, now works as a quality specialist in Convergys, Makati. Romel de la Cruz has experience working in various call center companies and now works as a level 2 agent.
Our companies are being paid by American clients in dollars. That's something that I know that how to economy is known as well. Definitely going to be huge. That's what I'm saying. I believe a lot of Americans or a lot of people worldwide are starting to realize the Philippines is one of the best places where you can start an outsourcing business. And now I can say that it'll be successful as well. Quality-wise, we're number one. And education-wise, we're doing great. I can't say that we're number one. Of course, Americans are still better people to talk to in terms of English. However, technical-wise, I think we have a great advantage on it, and maybe behavioral-wise, I think that we're doing great at it as well. We all know that Filipinos are known to be hard workers. Imagine a call center, it doesn't matter if you're an undergraduate or as a want, as long as you're willing to work, as long as you have the ability to comprehend, and as long as you don't have problems with your communication skills, you'll be able to do great.
Mr. Julian Cositeng, a former Caloocan City Councilor and now the head of business development in Edulinks Corporation.
Although we have 200,000 seats right now, there's still a need for about 1 billion more so far. So I think that these call centers will not be sprouting all over the place. And if they do not see the long-term and sustained potential of this industry. There's a saying that, if you love your job, you will never have to work a day in your life. Just work hard, work diligently, work honestly, and pray a lot. And most definitely, you will get far in life. And of course, you just be nice to everybody, take care of the people around you, live good lives. And like I said, there's no reason why you won't go far in life with those little tips.
Would there be anything else that I can help you with? Once again, my name is Mel. Thank you for calling technical support and you have a great day. Goodbye.